My video discussing the potential complications of drinking raw milk has led to a lot of interesting comments, one being that pasteurization was only initiated due to very poor quality control while producing milk in the late 1800s. While quality control has significantly improved, we still get bacterial contamination, especially in unpasteurized products. In this video, I'm going to discuss 3 bacterial infections of increasing severity that can occur if you do drink raw milk. Campylobacter. Campylobacter is the most common cause of infectious diarrhea, involving about 1.5 million people per year. Most go undiagnosed because it tends to be self-limited. It lasts about 5 days with diarrhea and abdominal cramps, occasionally bloody stools, but it tends to resolve on its own in about a week. Some groups, of course, are at more risk for serious infection: under age 5 and over 65, and the immunocompromised. Also, people that handle livestock. The most common form of spread, though, comes from eating raw meats, especially poultry, drinking contaminated water, or eating unpasteurized dairy products. Symptoms occur 2 to 5 days after exposure and usually present as fever, chills, intestinal cramps, and diarrhea, often bloody. Next, we have E. coli. This is a group of bacteria that often harmlessly exist in the intestine of human and animals and aid in digestion. However, some strains can be more aggressive, leading to intestinal injury, bloody diarrhea, urinary tract infections, pneumonia, and sepsis. There's one strain that's very dangerous, the Shiga toxin-producing E. coli. This releases a toxin that damages the intestinal lining, leading to severe cramps, nausea, vomiting, and a hemolytic uremic syndrome that could lead to renal failure. This is especially true in vulnerable populations like young children and in the elderly. There's no specific treatment for E. coli. Sometimes antibiotics can be used, but most of the time it's just supportive. And finally, listeria. Listeriosis is a foodborne illness from the bacterium Listeria, and it can be found in contaminated water, in properly prepared deli meats, soft cheeses like feta, and raw milk. This bacteria can become invasive and cause severe illnesses, the most serious form invading the central nervous system, causing meningitis that could lead to seizures, sepsis, and death. Remarkably, Listeria can survive refrigeration and even freezing. It possesses a significant threat to pregnant women, young children, and the elderly. Listeria exposure and infection during pregnancy can be mild for the mother, yet severe for the fetus, including fetal demise. The initial symptoms after exposure are fever, chills, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. If it becomes more invasive, headaches, seizures, disorientation, and meningitis. It's imperative to start antibiotic therapy early. Aside from consuming unpasteurized raw milk, it's important to avoid improperly handled deli meats, sausages, smoked fishes, even if they're refrigerated. Listeria is an extremely serious foodborne illness. In early 2025, there was a listeria outbreak in some deli meats. And if you happen to go to a deli that was selling that particular product, you'll notice that they shut down the refrigerators, got rid of all the deli meats, and decontaminated the slices, because listeria can be an extremely dangerous foodborne illness. I'm Dr. Messina. I hope you liked this video. Take care.